So that was really special, you know, because obviously it's a big win for him, huge weight off your shoulders, right? If you win the H-1B visa. But that was pretty cool. I really enjoyed that moment when I was able to tell him that. You know, and obviously super happy for him. And I'm sharing that because, you know that many of you are in that position, but it can happen, guys. It can happen, right? The numbers are against you, but it can happen. But yeah, but that was a really special moment. I gotta say, that's one of the cool things I've done in my career, where I was able to deliver that news to him and say, hey, you know, I just got word from the, you know, you got to do it all through the legal department of the company and all that. But, you know, the legal department told me that, you know, you won the visa. So that was pretty cool. That was a cool moment. But, you know, it's possible, guys. It's possible. Krishna says, I am looking for a job with my master's degree. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah. Well, Dallas is a good place to do it. You know, Dallas has a lot of companies. So Fatima is continuing Fatima's question about the prompt engineering. No, I mean delve deeper into it, because when I searched, I found a lot of branches. Yes, but your goal is not to build LLMs. Your goal is to use LLMs, right? Well, I mean, you could make your goal to build LLMs if that's what interests you, but it's more about being an end user, you know, to help you, right? Like you know, in the Sunday classes, you've heard me refer to as ChatGPT as my employee, right? Like, that's how I think you are best served by them. You know, by the way, everybody in the chat, Fatima is asking a good question, right? Because if you guys have seen my content, I am a big proponent that AI will play a massive role for you as a data scientist. If you think AI is not going to replace data science functions, you are wrong, right? You're going to die in the future. So you should be looking at ChatGPT as your employee. The coding tasks in data science in the future will be trivial. In the near future, you should feel like you can code anything. And you can code anything because ChatGPT will code it. You are not going to be coding it. Your employee will be coding it, right?